the art and culture before modern art was based on certain rules and regulations. You cannot go out of it, right? आपको मैं दूसरा एग्जांपल देता हूं. There is something called modern poetry. What is modern poetry? Earlier poetry was supposed to be written with some rules and regulations. आप कैसे लिख रहे हो, राइमिंग है कि नहीं है, हाँ, कौन से मीटर में लिख रहे हो, छंद, राइट, काव्य कौन से छंद में लिखा जा रहा है, मीटर में लिखा जा रहा है. मॉडर्न आर्ट डज नॉट फॉलो एनी काइंड ऑफ रूल, राइट. आई विल कम अप विद माय ओन ways of forming the poetry. That is called modern art. It does not follow any kind of tradition. It does not follow any kind of regulatory framework. It experiments, which has got no restrictions as such, right? That is called modern poetry. So modern art is abstract and experimental, right? It is influenced by these things: romanticism, realism, impressionism. Okay, let us try to understand this. What is romanticism? It has got imagination. हम जो बात कर रहे थे ना, so romanticism is you imagine things and you come up with your own ideas. So I am coming up with my own theme. It's neither historical nor religious nor mythological. My own theme, my own idea, my own features, and उसका जो product आता है, that is called the modern art form. So I am romanticizing with my ideas. Romanticism does not mean the romance of the kind between couples. उसकी बात नहीं कर रहे मैं यहाँ पे. It is what cultural romanticism we are talking about, right? Romanticism. दूसरा क्या है? Realism, right? So reality को depict करना, that also comes under modernity, right? And impressionism. What is impressionism? You are reflecting on what you are seeing. You are reflecting on what you are seeing, right? जो भी देख रहे हो उसको जैसा का तैसा दिखाना, ये नहीं, उसमें अपना थॉट डाल करके how you perceive it, right? उसमें फिर अगर हम आर्ट फॉर्म की बात करें तो उसमें ये हुआ कि एक चीज को अलग अलग शेड से दिखाना, अलग अलग लाइटिंग के शेड से दिखाना. सो यू आर एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग इन दैट. जो रियलिटी है उसके ऊपर रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हो, यू आर एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद दैट. दैट इज कॉल्ड इम्प्रेशनिज्म.